So today's mission, I need to try and get these tilt tubes out, because I think these are the original ones that the boat came out with in 1980s, I think. So we're going to try and get them out. I've got new ones on the way, so I'll let you guys know if I do get them out. Just a quick walk around so that we know what we started with before I repaint them. So it's finally time to start with the motors. For those of you that have seen it at the club, they don't look so good. The motors have been resprayed in their lifetime, but whoever did it, they didn't prime it or anything, so the paint is just basically flaking off. There's a bit of corrosion underneath, but as I'll show you now, I've done the other motor already and it didn't come out too bad. So the corrosion hasn't pitted it too much. So this one's also still got a way to go. I'm just using the web to remove majority of the paint. Then I've got to sit and basically flat and maybe wash it with vinegar to get rid of that corrosion that's maybe pulled into the aluminium. But yeah, I'll get the web going. You can see how quickly it removes the paint. Move you a bit closer. Okay, let's go. Not the most entertaining, but I'll probably speed it up. Those spots there are still the original color, so they just painted right over it. They didn't even prep the surface or anything, so that I'll have to sand off. So yeah, just a quick video of how I removed the paint. So yeah, this is where we are after many hours of stripping and sanding, and managed to get all of the paint off. You can see here. All the paint is gone. Now I just got to give it a nice flat. Still got to do the hangers. They're at the bottom, you see they're still blue. But that I can only do once the motors are off the stand. You can see there's all the paint's gone. Started flattening the cowls. Took all the stickers off. So yeah, hopefully next week, if all goes well, I can paint. Still a lot of flatting to do. That was just to get rid of any marks and that type of thing. But yeah, that's where we are. Good morning, guys. So we get some good weather today, so we managed to get some work done on the motors. I H primed and MS primed them, so now it's just some flatting and finishing off, and then next week hopefully we can get down to painting the color. So yeah, that's where we are. How's it, guys? Just a quick update on the motors. Managed to get them painted. They didn't come out too bad. I think they definitely look a lot nicer in this Yamaha H grey than they did in blue. So yeah, that's where we are. So I'm going to assemble everything, put the new stickers on, and then once we've got it all together, I'll take another video with all the little details I did while redoing them. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. How's it, guys? This is just the last update on the motors, so I can finish the video with the restoration of them. You can see there's new, all the linkages have been redone and polished up. New pivot tubes, new nuts, new spacers, new grease nipples. I still got to put that other one in because I still got to do the little cable, the little earth cable. That's why that one's not in. As you can see, the choke and the fuel line, the overheating LED light, all that stuff's not in yet. But this is just a video to have it after, because I've got a video of it before, and I've put brand new anodes. I redid the props, put new scare guards on, and then also these specific models don't come out with these earth cables. So what I've done, I've added them to prevent that bad corrosion I had in previous before I resprayed them. But yeah, there you can see they're looking quite good. I'll do all the final touches once they're on. Tighten up all these brackets where the linkages go on. You can see there I've got a new bracket for when you tilt it up. Made it out of 316 stainless. All the rusted bolts are out. There's a new rod through the middle there. I'm not sure what they call it. But yeah, I think they came out quite nice compared to what they look like. But that'll all be in the video, which you'll see before you get to this point of the video. But if you do get this far in the video, please take a minute to like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. But yeah, that's where we are. 90% done. A few little odds and ends that I still need to do. But you can see they're looking a lot better than they looked.